In this video, I'm going to be basically doing a before spring cleaning. I have to cut some things down like my mullein and my strawberries, and I just want to get my garden cleaned up. And if you guys are watching this, you guys are probably watching this on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow, which will be Sunday, is actually going to snow. So this will actually be the only time so that I can actually clean up my garden and get everything ready for springtime. And then of course after that, I'm going to take you guys inside so I can start my garden seeds for spring. So if you guys want to basically watch me clean my garden today, keep on watching. Callie cannot wait until the catnip is back. Oh my goodness. There is still some catnip in there, like right underneath her there is, and usually whenever she is in the catnip, she doesn't actually like to lay on it. She likes to lay next to it so it doesn't ruin it. Charlie, however, ruined it last year, so but she's actually like basically just rubbing up against it. Yeah. So basically what I'm going to do right now is just cut down my mullein, because I should have done this during fall time. Actually, I should have been cutting this down, but I never did. So this is basically all gone to waste, unfortunately. So, but next year I will make sure to cut them all out. But I'm also hoping that I will get some flowers in here. I literally thought that was a flower. That's just a piece of... And I did actually get a lot of mullein out of this last year. I dried a lot of it, and I did use it for tea a couple of times. I'm still trying to mess with like how I want my tea to be, because I'm not exactly sure how to do a mullein fermented tea, but that's why I'm growing it, so I can learn how to make a good tea for the mullein for lung health. I'm actually probably going to cut down my echinacea too, which would be this one right here. And yes, I said it right this time. I was hoping that this would come out, but oh my cowies. I was hoping that this would, like the flowers would come out of this, but they didn't. But I'm hoping that during the springtime they will sprout again. If not, I have more seeds, so I'm not really worried about it. But I'm hoping that I can get my echinacea to grow, because again, tea from echinacea is actually very good for you. This is actually my parsley and my asparagus. Yeah, I don't know if my asparagus is actually going to come back either, because I'm not exactly looking how I've seen whenever they go into dormancy. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to get any asparagus, like, or continue to keep growing this asparagus. So I might actually have to start fresh. But if that would be the case, I'm just going to do a whole bin of asparagus and just do a whole thing of parsley, I guess. But I'm not exactly sure. I just have to wait and see what these do this coming spring. Now these are my water gallons. These are what I winter sowed. I have not seen any greenery in here yet. I'm hoping for something soon, or maybe towards the springtime. I wouldn't even be mad about that. But I think the only thing that I can actually plant maybe in March is my peas. I'm probably going to do a direct sow outside of my peas, but just because of the sensitivity of their root system. So, but these have not really done much yet. So I'm just going to kind of let them be, because they're getting sun, they're getting rain. So I'm just going to let these be, and we're going to try to chop down my strawberries. So these right here are my strawberries. I didn't actually get to cut these down during the fall time, because I said I was going to and I never did. So I'm just going to cut these down. I'm at least going to cut down the dead stems. And the leaves, I'm actually just going to leave in here, because they're good mulch for the strawberries to come. So I'm actually just going to just cut down the stems and then just leave the leaves in here until springtime. And then I'll probably do a nice straw mulching just so that they can come up properly and I will get more strawberries. Maybe put them in a bigger bin. I'm not sure yet, but I have some plans. I do have a 20-gallon, an extra one, but I would love to use that for my potatoes. So I might actually maybe have to get another one. Maybe I'll just get a different barrel or a bit different container. I don't know yet. Essentially, I'm just going to cut the stems off and then just let this go because it has nice mulch in here still, so they're good for the springtime. And this is the other thing that I am starting to do now because I know whenever springtime comes and I need my soil, my compost, I want to make sure that this is ready too. So this little bin has just been sitting here and collecting water and stuff, and then all I really do is just take a old pitcher and just pour water in it. But I think because of how small it is, I think I'm just going to dump the whole thing in there because I'm trying to get this really saturated so that it can break down and compose so I can use the soil for my garden this year. Now this might actually freeze tomorrow because like I said, we're going to get snow again. So that might actually freeze, but because it's black, the sun will definitely collect the sun and it will start to warm up and decompose. So my compost bin, and then this is my rain barrel essentially, and it's been through it. It's definitely been through it. There's like a big chunk of ice in here right now, so I can't even like fix it because it's like on the side, so I might have to maneuver it. Maybe I can. Let me see if I can. Oh, I can't wait for the springtime. The springtime is just right around the corner. I can almost taste it. And this winter has been pretty horrible. Pretty horrible, to say the least. It actually looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than it did before, to be clear. So, this is how many gallons is this? It's a 50-gallon drum that my landlord had actually by the trash, and I figured it would be a great water gallon for my rainwater, and definitely is working the way I needed to. So it'll be ready for the springtime as well. Alright, I think I got everything pretty organized, cleaned up. Callie agrees. And my compost bin has been saturated, and it's going to snow tomorrow, as I said, which will be Sunday. So you'll probably see this Wednesday, but I'm actually going to turn my head to the inside so I can start my indoor seeds. Well, today is Monday. It snowed yesterday. It melted and then it started raining and then it just started snowing again. So here is the state of my garden at the moment. And my water gallons are covered with snow.